There's my old condor, she's out again for the day. And a lovely old motor gutsie. I think you've all seen before, but it's a lovely bike. Go out. Bit oily, but never mind, he's made it. Norton. Modern Triumph. A couple of nice tidy Hondas. They all turned out. A modern machine, don't ask me what it is. There is a very, very interesting machine, a Rickman Kawasaki. Lovely. Oh, lovely bike. The front view of the Hondas, they're very well done up. An old Honda Goldwing with the Yamaha. There's the Norton. A modern Triumph on the side. The lovely old Norton. I know you fellas like the old stuff. Something new alongside it, Suzuki. There's a general look around. Hi there. Nice Beehive. Bloody nice CCM Scrambler. Oh yeah, very pretty. Norton, yeah, very big four or something, 18, I'm not too sure. Lovely bike, lovely gutsie.
They just think differently.
Hairpin valve springs. Handlebars with a pillion. Nice old unit Beehive. There's his relative over there. Gold Flash. Belongs to Florrie. Beautiful. That's a kick start. Big massive quadrant on there, isn't there?
Yeah. Wonderful stuff.
Oh, it's lovely. There's something about all the old British bikes, isn't there?
It is, yeah. Yeah, but it's pure nostalgia on the part of British people, I say.
I suppose it is, but I can't get them out of my system. The old Norton's revving up, just ready for the off. Waiting to go now.